Hello everyone, myself Ruchita, currently pursuing my BE at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore at the Department of CSE Data Science. Today, in this presentation, I am going to present a topic which has been related to mathematics. And the topic is higher transition probabilities and their applications. Before going to a topic, let me give a small introduction to the higher transition probabilities. Higher transition probabilities, which mean refers to the likelihood of moving from one state to the other probabilistic model. These probabilities are crucial in various fields, including a finance, healthcare, machine learning. Understanding the transition probabilities, which enables a better prediction and decision making process. Importance of transition probabilities are transition probabilities may help in modeling dynamic states systems which states can change over a time. They provide a framework for analyzing the behavior which has been between the system under the certainty. Accurate transition probability may also lead to improve overcomes of outcomes in the stimulations and the predictions, and in the right side you can see the deriving of transition probabilities. Applications in the finance. In finance, higher transition probabilities are used in the model credit risk and the default likelihood. They assist in predicting the stock's price movements and the market trends to over time. Investor can use this probability to make the informed decision that about asset allocation. In AI, finance is the best use cases are automated workflow, personalized experience, advanced credit scoring, rapid fraud detection, risk management, profit old automation, and algorithm trading. Application which has been used in the healthcare are in healthcare, transition probabilities may help to track the patient outcomes and the disease progressions. They are used in the clinical decision support system to optimize the treatment pathway. The higher transition probabilities enhance predictive modeling for the patient readmissions. The application which is being used in the healthcare are diagnosis of the diseases, medical is diagnosis, drugs in diagnosis, personal medical, medical robots, electronic health records, and etc. Markov chain and the transition probabilities. Markov chain are the mathematical system that undergo the transition from one state to the another. They rely heavily on the transition probabilities to determine the future state which is being based on the current condition. Understanding this concept is vital for the application in various scientific fields. In the right side, you can see the Markov chain transition probability, which varies from sunny to the cloudy, again cloudy to the rain. Transition probability in machine learning. Machine learning algorithms utilize the transition probabilities for the sequence prediction task. They may help in the developing the models that learn from the temporal data such as a time series analysis. Applications include a natural language processing, the robotics, reinforcement learning. Transition probability in climate modeling. Transition probabilities are employed to predict weather and the climate pattern. They assist in the understanding the likelihood of the various environmental states which overcome a time. Accurate modeling is a crucial for the disaster preparedness for the resource management. Higher transition probabilities in marketing. In marketing, transition probabilities can predict customer behavior and conversion rate. They inform the strategies from the customer retention and targeted advertising. Markets l- leverage from the probabilities to optimize the customer journey. Transition probabilities in manufacturing. In manufacturing, higher transition probabilities may help in model, production process, and the supply chains. They enable the companies to forecast the equipment and failure and the maintenance which is needs for the accurately. This optimization may lead to increased efficiencies and to reduce the optimal cost. At the right hand side, you can see the transition probability matrix, and the requirement which is being for the transition probabilities matrix are all probabilities were non-negative and no greater than only the sum greater than unit. Sum of each row is unit. Probability of staying in the present state may be zero. Challenges in estimating the transition probabilities. Estimating a transition probabilities may accurately can be different due to the data limitations. Variability in the system may lead to the fluctuations in the probability estimates. Robust statistical methods are essential for improving the reliability of these estimates, and the estimation of transition probability you can see at the right side. Data source of transition probabilities. Various data sources can be used to estimate transition probability, including the historical data and the real-time data. Data quality significance the impact the accuracy of a transition probabilities derived. Integrating the derives data source can enhance the robustness of the model. Statistical method of estimation. Common statistical method for the estimating the transition probability may include the maximum likelihood estimation and the Bayesian approaches. Machine learning techniques such as a hidden Markov model and are also the effective for the purpose. Choosing the right model depends on the specific application which has been available data. Future trends in transition probability application. The future of transition probability application looks like promising the advancement in AI and the big data analytics. Increased computerization power enables the modeling of complex systems with higher accuracy. Emerging the technology will facilitate a real time of prediction across the various industries. Top 10 business of AI trends in 2022 are conversation with AI and responsible of AI in healthcare, financial service with AI, natural language processing, which is also known as NLP, quantum computing with AI in cybersecurity, the fusion of AI and IoT, predictive analytics with AI. Ethical consideration. The use of transition probability must consider ethical implementation, particularly in the sensitive area like healthcare. Transparency in how the probability are calculated in financial and the maintain public trust. User must be aware of limitation and the potential biases of predictive model. Conclusion. Higher transition probabilities are inavailable in understanding and predicting the dynamic systems. Their applications span multiple industries, enhancing the decision making and efficiencies. Continued the research and development will further unlock the potential across the various domains.